Akwande Mzansi ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu indebele elihlakaniphileko nelifundileko bakwethu sigadangisa eGood Life Studios.
Akwande Mzansi lami ibizo ngingincwebile ngokwamasuku kazi nanginje ngithengisa endleleni e4 way yePola Mall ku R573 kodwa nangipheleli lapho kuphela ngikoke nje konke uzongithola. Thando namhlanje uthi siphethe ubani konje?
Namhlanje bakwethu sikhamba noThulani Ndruli.
Usushi?
Yeah.
Usushi ekade sibale kakhulu lo ya.
Yeah, ipokome kade isidoja.
Pokome engakathathi.
Ya namhlanje sikhamba nepokoma bakwethu kade sibalekela kunini simfune neMetlibheke. Namhlanje sinaye lapha ku My Story with Thando Mahlangu.
I209.
Nangembala.
Thula.
Ndungwa.
Kunjani?
Makubule.
Sithokoze Nkosi kwethu.
Yeah, siyathokoza nomasuku.
Yebo.
Yeah, no. Nangembala ngitholile. Ningifunyene. Nasi in engavinjwako.
Hello wena uvinjwe yini?
Bovinjwe yini ukufika la? Ipokome engavinjwako.
No, beyisazilungisa.
Yeah.
Beyisazilungisa nokho yeah nokho ngifikile ngiyathokoza nami ukuthi ngimenywe on the platform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No man, ngaphambi kokuthi singene endabeni ke sakhuluma into ezicakathekileko ngelimi lesindebele.
Yeah.
Yabona? Nasikhuluma ngelimi lesindebele ilimi elifundwako nangesikolweni kwamina lisangihlaleli kuhle.
Yeah.
What's your take ngesindebele esihlolo enkolweni?
Mndongo ngizokutsho ngithi nginemizwa ephambeneko.
Yeah.
Imizwa ephambeneko vane ngitsho ngithi navane sichinga phambili.
Yeah.
Asazi ukuba ne direction eyi-one soke.
Ngiyafuna.
Yeah.
Kodwa nami nangimuntu okholelwa ekutheni ukuthi mntu sibine qhubekelo phambili.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi we are settling.
Okay.
Siya phambili.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sinabantwana abakhona ukufunda ngesindebele. Lokho kuyinjabulo.
Ngiyafuna.
We must build on that. And then noma kuliphutha mde kube liphutha esikhona ukulibuyisa sithi okay lapha ngathi senza iphutha. Asilungiseni sibe so. Kodwa na the approach matters.
Okay.
Yeah, the approach matters ukuthi into na uyibona iyiphoso uyi-approacha ngendlela efaneleko umuntu uyakhona ukukuzwa kunalokho na uyikharamejako.
Yeah.
Uyikhahlumeza then you are creating umuntu omela kulalele on defense mode.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Then it becomes a problem.
Yeah.
Iba mrara mkhulu because of umuntu engathanda uyakuzwa ulwane into oyichoko.
Ngiyafuna.
Nanyana ulwa nawe kunento ngathana ulwa nento oyichoko. So yeah ngingakabungena futhi nje lami igama nginguThulani.
You're right.
Yeah. Lami igama nginguThulani.
Yeah.
Ngingakwandula umntwana.
Yeah.
Uweza umuntu angibiza ngoDion vano sengazi ngobuye emaphotla lo.
Okay.
Ngikhule naye. Thiwa batsho igama lesikolo.
Sengisaba ubize linye naye kunomunye abambiza ngomapiti.
Yeah.
Enzoke sivela.
No, makamekaya kodwa makama bakudlalisa ngawo kakhulu. Ngibani ngumapiti?
Okay.
So yeah but ke ngathi nangikhula khulako nokho ke ngathanda igama la kaThulani.
Yes.
Okay.
And then ke ngathi nase ngifika eVarsity ngaba nabengani bamakhuwa yabona. So bebangakhona ukuphimisa igama la kaThulani as fast as they wished.
Oh.
So oyi-one waba nesibindi ukuthi and what does the name mean? Ngathi no it means Thulani which means keep quiet.
Yeah.
Alternatively it can mean peace.
Yes.
So njengoba nakade si on a platform kade kudlalwa.
Yes.
Yeah, what I shush. And then I started liking it.
So isukela lapho. Ngisibuza Thulani libuyapi?
Yeah. So igama la kashush igama lokuthi Thulani is just that in an English way ukuthi shush. So ke ngisuke ngilwe nabantu umunyathi sushi phela ke
mina nami
angisi raw fish phela ke yayibona. So but ke yeah and then ke ngafaka uPrime yabo.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ngafaka uPrime. uPrime lo ngamfaka ngesizathu sokuthi ngimuntu othanda isikhethu.
Yes.
So now ulisokana uyazi ukuthi nakade uyi-number 1 or uyi-number 2 ubizwani yabo.
Yeah.
So kade ngingafuni ukuthi bangibize ngalo straight
Yeah.
yabo. Manje ngalithi
ngengiliphi lelo kade
Yeah.
ungafuna babize ngalo
ungalibuzi
Yeah.
lizokubhinjidela wena amasokana ayalazi uyayibona.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what
Yes.
yeah, but ke ngibelethwa ePitori. Ngibelethwa ePitori, one military hospital,
Yes.
Okay.
and then
Mara military masoja msle.
iye
Okay.
yeah, ubaba bekade
Oh.
alisoja. Yeah, ubaba bekade
Okay.
alisoja.
Yes.
So ngibelethelwe
Umusi ngikho yi.
yeah, ubaba bekade alisoja, so ngibelethelwe
Yeah.
one military, and
Okay.
then isikhathinyana esincane ngakhulela Hercules.
Yes.
Uma bekabereka ema-kitchen Hercules.
Yeah.
And then ngakhona ngiyekhaya ke eMaphotla.
Yeah.
Khulele eMaphotla, ngafundela eMaphotla, yonke into yami ngiyenzele eMaphotla.
Yes.
And then ngabuya sele ngabuya emazikeni aphezulu ke. Ever since that ngikhona la eGauteng.
Yeah.
In between Gauteng and Mpumalanga.
So imaphotla le idume ngani tula?
iMaphotla ufuna igama eliserious or yokudlala, because kune tone emele siyiset ngemaphotla
Iye.
respectively.
Okay.
Okay.
iMaphotla idume ngetalente.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah, but navane sidlala sithi indawo amasiko.
Okay.
Abanye badlala bathi indawo amasiko. iMaphotla is regarded as one of the communities eksenzwa isiko ngendlela ekade benza ngayo ekadeni.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, nawufuna ukwazi amandebele ukuthi kade aphila njani njalo, and both ngithini ngokwehlanga la amahlanga akhona, whether babuya ngemkobola or babuya ngakwamahlungulo or njalo.
Yeah.
Uzobathola benza into engengiyo ekade bayenza
Ekade yenziwe kade.
ekade kenziwe ekadeni, you know.
Yes.
Nangendlela esikhuluma ngayo ilimi lethu, umuntu navana athi khuluma isiNdebele, ngikhuluma isiNdebele, athi hayi man, isiNdebele sakho asifani nesomuntu okhuluma eKwaga or kwaMhlanga or
Yeah.
Yeah.
uyabonakala ukuthi uyebhosa.
Yeah.
Uyabona manje
Okay,
ngithi
yes.
hayi no akusiku njalo kunje, abantu begama Rafiri abakhulumi njengathi. You know, uyababala bangemthambo uthini, nakhona ngemthambo uthini umuntu ucheche ukuthi ubuya ngemabhado or ubuya bana ngendlela bakhuluma ngakhona ngoba isikopilo lethu linjalo.
Yes.
So iMaphotla yaziwe ngetalente, taking from uNdangababa uGanatla.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga yena.
Yeah.
Ubuye emaphotla naye.
Yeah, lidlanga lifela kude.
Yes.
Nguye umuntu I think osibeke emebheni,
Yes.
and then kweza abaningi ke abo Menposh, abo Mawaza.
Umen Posh ubuye emaphotla. Mawazi ubuye emaphotla.
Nanje usahlala
Umen
eMaphotla.
Posh usahlala emaphotla.
Yes, yeah.
Umen Posh nguPotso.
Yeah.
Oh, seningilahlile.
Potso.
Ngifuna ukuza ukuthi
Yes,
ngubani
umlingisi
uMenposh.
okhamba phambili.
Yeah.
Okay.
Menposh
Yes.
ubuye eMaphotla,
How?
and then
Udimeni Dumsansi Thole
yeah,
ubuye
uDimeni
emaphotla.
ubuye eMaphotla. Intangakho ke ngeke kwamkhohlwa. 205.
Umjaphethe ubuye emaphotla.
Yeah.
Umjaphethe wenzani wabalela
Yeah,
lesikhumba
umjaphethe.
Yeah.
Jabani?
Umjaphethe funny enough ngumza wami, mntokagari.
Iye.
Iye.
Yeah, mntokagari. And then
Ngubani omunye?
Khuli Mahlangu.
Okhulu
Oh,
Mahlangu.
ngithi uKhuli
Yeah, i-broadcaster.
Khuli
You
Mahlangu.
current affairs.
Oh.
Ubuye
Khuli ke
emaphotla.
Mahlangu ke is ke ngithi umuntu ekade ngiqalelela kuye phekukhulu.
Iye.
Ngoba ngikhule ngithanda imedia mina.
Wow.
Okay.
Kodwa
Oh
uKhuli.
yeah.
uKhuli ke ngumakhelwane.
Okay.
Na sikhuluma ngomakhelwane. Sihlukana sumakhelwane so.
Straight yi-drama.
Yeah, ngakwabo kungapha ngakwethu kungapha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ngikhulile kuye phambi kwakhe, umuntu kade ang-introduce to the media space.
Yes.
Yeah, and then Bomawaza baningi man.
Siphiwe lu ubuye emaphotla.
Siphiwe mo.
Siphiwe Louis.
Uluyi.
Yeah. Gwemaphohla.
Akusingwe Kamarafir or kwamhlanga.
No.
Yeah,
Enengwakwabo.
okay. Yeah, uSiphiwe ngumnakwethu ungitshela ibele. Yeah, uSiphiwe ngumnakwethu ungitshela ibele.
Yes.
I-commentator ye-Radio 2000.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
Ku-sport.
Yeah.
Analyst.
Analyst. Yeah,
yeah.
analyst. Yes, yes.
SABC Sports analyst, yes.
How?
So ngumnakwethu ngongitshela ibele.
Yes.
And then kunadadewethu omkhulu, Olizibulo. Mina ngingumaswaphela.
Okay.
Maswai swai.
Sibathathu ngakethu.
Yeah.
Sibathathu ngakwethu. So yeah, that's
Wena umutsho yena. Sibuza ku podcast uthi mfo wakhuluma ngabomnakweni kwaphela mina wasewathi dadewethu.
Udadewethu ngubani nebizo lakhe?
no udadewethu nguLindiwe Makopoli.
Okay.
Abaningi bamazi ngoLindiwe Nduli, but ngoba wende kwaMakopoli, of which
uMagobholi lo ngotlola imidlalo yomoya. Okay.
uMagopoli.
Awona musu yabazi.
Yeah, uMagopoli ngumkhwenyethu.
Oh.
Yeah, ngumkhwenyethu uMagopoli.
Mina ngwakwethu ke.
Yeah, Magopoli sihleka nengo.
Yes.
Ngiyavuma.
Yeah.
Yeah, so umndeni kwaMagopoli ke wona kuvela ngeManyanga. Yeah, baningi ngeManyanga.
Noqinisile la.
Imanyanga le kuphi?
Kwadlawulala.
Okay.
Baningi
Ngithi
lapho.
semaphotle.
No. And ukhumbuleke ukuthi thina mina ngibelethwa kwaNduli kwaSosimenge. Abanye abakunami boma socials bayangazi Sosimenge 209.
Yes.
Yeah, indabuko yethu yakwaSosimenge idabuka eMkhorozo ngeMbiza.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Yes.
indabuko yethu.
No, hayi ngizwe iCyprus Boys 90 kwaMambiza esikhisaneni.
Yeah.
Ziyahlangana indawo ezi?
Ayisikude khulu.
Ayisikude khulu.
Ayisikude khulu.
Okay.
Yeah. So thina sivela ngeMkhorozo sibelethwa navane ngikhuluma ngoSosimenge.
Yes.
Ngikhuluma ngoba mkhulu kababa.
Yo.
Yeah, so mina ngibelethwa ngumhlalukwana. Ubaba ngumhlalukwana.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why vane ngingafuni ukuthi na ufika ekhaya ungibize uthi mhlalukwana, because na uthi mhlalukwana vane ubiza ubaba.
Ngiyavuma.
Ibizo lakhe le. And then bese ubaba ubelethwa ngufana. And then uyise likafana uThubulu. And then uThubulu ubelethwa ngumabungana.
Yeah.
So i-value chain yethu ngivane ngithi ide khulu vane ngafuna uyichaza khulu because ngizokuchazela ukuthi ubani ubelutha ubani ubelutha ubani nabantu abakade bathi disithembu yabona.
Yeah.
So sibaningi khulu. So if ngibone on your last podcast ni hoste umhlokonyo
Yeah.
eMartin Slope.
Yeah.
Abomakhelwane bakamhlokonyo kwasukwa kwa umndeni ekhaya waSosimenge.
How?
Bengikhule ngimazi umhlokonyo ngokumbona.
Okay.
But uthena kathoma ukublow up ku media space ngathi ndodana ngiyamazi manje ngimazi laphi kanti bengikhule ngimbona uyabona.
Yeah.
Nangi ukuvakacha kwaHulu ngeMartin Slope. So kunomndeni kwaSosimenge ngeMartin Slope. So but then the value chain yakhona isuka eMkhorozo nabasuka eMkhorozo baya eNtwane. Nabasuka ngeNtwane baya ngeFremlim nasuka eFremlim banyana basuba bahlukana. Abanye baya ngeKwagga abanye baya ngeMartin Slope abanye saya ngeMaphotle.
Yes.
Yeah, and then sihluke njalo ke but kumndeni kwaSosimenge unabile nje kanje.
Yeah.
Umkhudlwanyana and then yeah sibelethwa lapho ke thina.
All right. So now ukukhulela eMaphotle. Ufunda phi? I-primary ne-high school and then from lapho wachinga.
Funde eSijabule.
Ngasuka
lapho ngayebekezela, ngasuka lapho ngayesilindile. Ngasuka lapho ngayentutu my high school.
Okay.
Ngasuka lapho ngaya eTUT.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then ngasuka lapho ngaya emsebenzini.
So eTUT ufunde iminyaka emingaki khona?
Ngifunde 4 years.
4 years.
4 years.
Bowenzani?
Ngenza marketing.
Wenza marketing.
Yeah, ngenza marketing. As ekhaya sikhule sibabantu becommerce.
Ne?
Yes, udadewethu wenze auditing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so Siphiwe ekhaya ngimlama wenza marketing naye.
Naye wenza marketing.
Yeah, wenza marketing.
Le yankara ngoba
Marketing, yeah.
nginekareko ukwazi ukuthi emakhonweni esinawo sisichaba samandebele. Sichoda ngani?
Mndungu avane ngikhe ngitsho ngithi kumele unabe and ube specific ukuthi
Yes.
uchoda ngani in terms of what, because ngine broader perspective.
Okay.
Okay.
Mina ngimuntu okholelwa ukuthi inomboro will tell you the truth.
Okay.
I'm an analytical person.
Yes.
Nasikhuluma nge-space
Yeah.
sokuthi amandebele adinga ini in terms of media, I'll always say follow the numbers.
Okay, for example ne Thulani. Amandebela namakhono.
Akake.
Sinabavumi,
Yeah.
sinabalingisi,
Akake.
sinabatloli,
Akake.
sinama-broadcasters. Sinabagijimako, yabo. So kuhle kuhle ikhono elichoda kwaliko.
Yeah.
Sekuthi amanye afihlekile. Amanye awakhona ukuzithengisa.
Yeah.
Abanye abakhona ukuyipackage into yabo le.
Yeah.
Yabo bakwazi uyithengisa. So from the marketing perspective, yini kuhle kuhle kufanele yenziwe emntwana endebele.
Mndungu okwanje mina ngicabanga
Yeah.
ukuthi we've done our part.
Okay.
We've done our part, but in terms of marketing,
Yes.
ngicabanga ekutheni ukuthi i-location yethu ithandile ukusidisadvantage to an extent,
Okay.
and nangendlela si-embrace ngayo ihlonipho esikweni likaNdebele.
Yes.
It was a good thing ekuthomeni kaduka,
Okay.
but esikhathini sanje ngiyo esibambezelako,
Njani?
because we need unity.
Exactly.
And then nasidinge unity kunama-bottleneck, into esibiza ukuthi i-bottleneck.
Bottleneck.
I-bottleneck
Like ibottle ngiyabona njengalela.
Ngiyayazi.
zinkabi.
Ibambile
yeah.
ukuthi ungasikinyela.
Yeah, zinkabi.
Yes.
Nangithoma ngithi ngilindebele, mde ngizichaza ukuthi ngilindebele le Zimbabwe nanyana la kwaNdebele la.
Ne.
Okay.
Nasele ngidlulile ukuthi ngilindebele leSouth Africa, mde ngizichaza ukuthi ngingokwamanalo ngikunzunza na.
Oh.
Sele ngidlulile lapho ngithi ngingokwanzunza, ngizokubuza ukuthi ngingokwaMphezulu nor ngokwaSimyembiwa na. Nasele ngizichazile ukuthi ngibuya ngakwaSimyembiwa, mde ngizichaza ukuthi ngimkobola or
Panela.
panela or yini. So there are many bottlenecks engizokujaja ngayo 10 times before ngizichaza mina ukuthi nginguThulani.
Ne.
Into leyo ikade kuyindlela yokuhlukanisa nokupreserve isikhethu, but
Yeah.
esikhathini sanje it's a bottleneck serious, because nangifuna ukukudelela ngizokuthoma ngithi kwazi phana wena ngokwamahlungulu ne. And abantu bokwamahlungulu vele siyabazi baso.
Ne.
They understand?
Yeah.
Yabona yabona into leyo iba sicabi jokingly, iba sicabi. But then ngiyafisa mina besakhuluma ngithi mina engathana ngiyinkosi yakwanzunza, undaba ezitha angangiqolela. Ngizoyikhuluma yona le. Bengizowa remove mina ama bottleneck la.
Njani?
Senze into eyinye.
Njani?
Ngithethe i-research yami encane engasi qualified. Ngafunda amanye amasiko ukuthi enza njani izinto.
Okay.
Ngithathe isiko lamaVenda. Kunento eyi-1 bahlanganisako.
Okay.
Noma bangazwani sibona, but kunento eyi-1 bahlanganisako of which university.
Okay.
Uye esichabeni samapedi. Amapedi nakawelako. Bawela bayi 100 and something or 300 and something. Into eyi-1 bahlanganisako. Nabalabo bakhuluma ilimi eli-1. Thina sine imaphodle yodwa inemphato eyi-15. Sihlanganiswa yini? Ngoba ngikhulile kwaNtuli kwaSosimenge. Kunomphato kwaNtuli, kunomphato kwaMahlangu, Kuwait, kunomphato kwaSibanyoni. You understand? Sihlangana lapho mhlambe nasisi ukuphalala, but akunanto esihlanganisako sina. Bantwana bakwaSibanyoni nabantwana bakwaMahlangu. You understand into efana njengaleyo? So ngathi nangicabangako ngithi into ebambe uNdebele ukuthi ahlangane njenganje ngeenkhathini eziningi, not everywhere, esikhathini esiningi ingoma isakhona ukuhlanganisa the household yakaNdebele imthatha imbeke wonke for a period of 3 months imbeke, and umuntu owisela naye sekamndeni akho kamara angakwasibanyoni mara wawisela naye sekamndeni akho
for good.
So that's the only clue that we have. So ngathi if ever uNdabezitha can say in order ukuthi ngibumbanise isichabesi, how about ukuthi endaweni eyi1 ngithathe abantwana bekosa bawile babonke nje, let's go for a psychometric test.
Okay.
Siye embusweni umbuso thatha abantwana boba se for a psychometric test. Lo ukhona ukubereka ngezandla, lo ukhona uanalytical, uyakhona engineering njalo njalo. Nasibawiselako sithi ngekosini akube nemphatho yi4 laba bawela babodwa bakhona ukureasona the same way, laba bakhona ukwenza so babodwa, abantwana babokukhula baboke noma baye university bayokhona ukuhlangana ngoba benza into eyodwa for a long time babamndeni.
Yes.
Uyayibona? So into leyo it can benefit us in a long run, not now nje kuyokubetha isibhuku macangi because uyawazi maNdebele angazokutshela nguMahlangu mina, angazokutshela nguNruli mina, yabona kuyokubetha isibhuku macangi, of which is part of our culture, but in a long run uyokuthatha umntwana eNdebele imhlanganise because of siyazi ukuthi abantwana abakhona ukwenza so sebatholaphi, abantwana abakhona ukwenza so sebatholaphi, abantwana abakhona ukwenza so sebatholaphi, then nasele ukhona ukuthatha isichaba usihlanganise sibe sodwa. Cala musingoma ithatha uSobesa imhlanganisa nabo uSobesa bonke for the whole of 3 months.
3 months. Yes.
Bazokulwa benzeni but at the end they bazwana.
Vision
Yes. Yinye.
Yeah.
Ithatha bogogo bapheka bokumdoko.
Yeah.
Ithatha bomakoti bakhelebhe bogogo.
Yes.
Ithathe umntwana wangikhaya athuthi ithunga. You understand? Bakhula bamndeni. Like umuntu owisela naye emndeni akho.
Yeah.
That's the only clue that we have. But now we must make it in a revenue way. Nasele sithatha ukuthi into lemndeni is benefit in a revenue way because of akusizi ukuthi siwisele siyimbumba sihlangana ngokubethana iswazi. Let's benefit in at the end of the day. Lona siyalazi ukuthi lihloseni.
Yes.
Kodwa in a long run leyibeki ipuphe etafuleni.
No.
You see Thulan, into ikhuluma ngole iqhakathekile. I think mina nayingahlalelwa phasi into le siphatla phatla. Yabona?
Yeah.
And then kube nala esifika khona sinzinza khona ukuthi okay, sisichaba samaNdebele.
Yeah.
Nasi indlela ekufanele siyithathe.
Akhake.
Indlela ekufanele siyithathe le fanele ibe nomdosi phambili.
Akhake.
Ngoba cala mus siyawisela. Siyathombisa.
Akhake.
Imali le iyapi? Sizithenga kangaki inkomo ebantwini abanzima? Imbuzi sizithenga kangaki?
Akhake.
Inkumbese abonokhethwaba bethu aba sibathenga aphi?
Yeah.
Igem sithenga aphi? Ama-floor la siwathenga aphi? Uyabona?
Yeah.
So now kuzosithatha ukuthi kufanele abadosi phambili bethu kube nala sizokuhlala khona nama-company aziproducer-ke indwezi
Yeah.
njengejam.
Akhake.
Uqala musinto eliberegiswa ngithi khulu.
Yeah. But mina mlungu alami lithi why singenzi ijam yethu?
Ne.
Why till today singana umuntu okhona ukwenza ijam? Why mde siye kwa All Gold go to
Or kwa Tiger Brands. Yeah.
Tuthi kose ibuyele le phasi
Akhake.
zibuyele kukhonye
Akhake.
ukutshaleke. Yes.
Asithina sithombe asiyibeke so.
Yes.
Nawulandelela isiko likaNdebele ubuyela ngizongenisa indaba yamakhasa ukuthi singena kanjani within the whole
yes.
value chain.
Yeah.
Nawuqala isichaba samaNdebele nakubusa uMagodongo.
Yeah.
Nakubusa uMagodongo. Kulapha kwafika khona umzilikazi azokuthatha alwa ipi namaNdebele.
Yes.
Wawisela uSomdeyi.
Yeah.
uSomdeyi lisokana lokuthoma lekhasa.
Okay.
That's why sizibiza ukuthi intanga yakaSomdeyi. nasikhuluma ngamahasa sithi intanga yakasomdeyi
Yeah.
isokana lokuthoma on record into ngiyibeke on record
Usomdeyi.
usomdeyi
Okay.
kabe alhasa.
Okay.
Now ngalesa sikhathi the mission was mele sikhone ukulwa namaphandle. So esichabeni nengomeni yamanzunza ngalesa sikhathi bekwenziwa amabutho.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
nabenza amabutho bebenza amabutho ukuthi bakhone ukuvikela isichaba sikaNdebele. So kulapha singena khona ke thina ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi kwakunesidingo sokuthi kunde kube namabutho. uMagodongo had a vision ukuthi mde ngikhona ukuvikela isichaba sami ngenze amabutho nangiyokuwisela ingoma le.
Yeah.
Kunyana kuthiwa sisimahasa amahasa mkhaza ngengavinjwa kumkhaza phela ngalesa sikhathi kade
Inke ngavinjwa kolisuka lapho.
yeah
Okay.
ebon
Yeah.
so ihasa mkhaza.
Yes.
So umkhaza awususeke ikomo ngeke wayibamba ikomo ususe ngamunye ngamunye.
Yeah.
So kwathiwa intanga le izokubina ilitshe lendlela
Yeah.
okungiyipokoma. So ikomo beyithi nelitshe labantu ngisho kathi banenrwala kade bazihlihla ngazo.
Yes.
Susa inrwala nanana. So kade kuyinto yendlela shuthi intanga izoke nje nawungathi uyazilandelela zine meaning ukuthi
Yeah.
zazibunjelweni nanyana isika kade kwenzeka senzeka ngaleso sikhathi kwakwenzakalani. So manje we need to go back and say sifuna yini into esifunako njenganje si create something out of that sichinge
Yes.
phambili. Yangazi uyangizwisisa na.
Nongekuthola.
So
Okay.
that's why mina uqala mina ngibelethwa ngubaba ubaba umhlalukwana lidlo lidlanga lifela kude. Intanga yakhe kade kumabuthanekani.
Yeah.
Navane bakuthiwa bathi sikhuluma ngedlovu vane sikhuluma ngendlovu igama lithi dlovu sikhuluma ngendlovu indlovu
Yeah.
into nekani
Ayithi yes,
silula ukuthi uyihlule mara into edla indlovu lidlanga because of indlovu ayifeli fela kude.
Yeah.
Understand? Yabona so into ezi ziyakhuluma ukuthi into legade kwenziwani ngalesi sikhathi kwenziwani amathula bazokutshela ukuthi babine izulu and vele nabawelako izulu kalina noma kunyaka muphi nakuwela amathula izulu liyana lina ngendlela engakajayeleki ngoba yintanga yabo leso sikhathi so into ezinesika zazo. Understand? So endo namahasa siyipokoma asivinjwa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nasithi asivinjwa.
Yeah.
Sithe nasihlangana nako sathi asibumbaneni.
Yeah.
The mission was not ukuthi sifuna ukuthatha njengobana ukuthi amahasa ayathatha in fact in numbers.
Into yamathatha yamahasa le
Yeah.
ivela njani nisungula njani?
Mina ukuyithanda kwami
Yes.
ngithandiswe ukuthi mina ubamkhulu ongibelethako lihasa.
Okay.
Okay.
So ubamkhulu ngakwabo kabe angimaswaphela
Yeah.
nami ngingimaswaphela
Umaswaphela.
ngakwethu.
Yeah.
Ubamkhulu kade lihasa
Yeah.
nami ngilihasa mina. So
Ngiyavuma.
mina ngithanda ngoba mina ngilihasa I'm a proud khasa because I'm a khasa squared phela.
Ngiyavuma.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
So nangilihasa ngihlangana nabengani bami ngikhumula ngathoma ukukhuluma ngento yamahasa highly
Yes.
ngo-2018.
Yo.
Umngani nami engimbiza ukuthi umngani nami Poriyana
Yes.
umntwana kaSomike
Whoa.
uSamu Nduli
Ne.
Okay.
uthethe 2018 and as far and as far as I remember ngakwaNdebele nanyana eMaphodlha as far as I remember ngolihasa lokuthoma elithathako.
Yo.
So we went hard.
Yes.
You went hard, you know.
Yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
We went hard ukuthi besibambene sina.
Fast.
Besibambene ukuthi dami ngani siyabambana nje vele siyayenza nole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People were like Msalo sesemncane.
No, that 2018.
2018, you understand? Msalo sesemncane wenzani? Uyabona?
Yeah.
Kwabakho yemkatelela, uyabona? So but we were like no, yena uhlangene
Yena
uyofunako. You understand?
Eh.
Namhlanje ngimngana dami ngani mina ngiyamthatha umakasi.
Ne.
usiya bese labelethiwe leso sikhathi
Yeah.
lizibulo lakhe kodwa hami ngiyamthatha
Yeah.
makasiya siphathana ukuthi I was like mngani mthathe mngani so mina njengomngani yini
Wayiqwaqwazele.
you understand
Wadoda rakho.
mthathe mngani
Mthathe
yabona
mngani, yeah.
mthathe mngani though ngithena ngihlala phasi benginomkhumbulo ukuthi hey phela nakade ukuthatha la
Ve.
siyokhuluma ilimi elihlukileyo angeke sazwana
Wasala njani? Cala 2018. It's 7 years now.
Yeah.
Ne? So now kungikhombisa kunento engikhombisayo niyangibalekela igama engifuna ukuliberegisela ukuthi kuhle phezulu kwento yakho enzinzile wenza into yakho ngepace yakho.
Yes.
Yabo?
Yes.
Ngoba umngane wakho kuthoma uthethe 2018
akake
and wena sula ukathatha.
yeah
Raka.
leso sikhathi khakuyinto emfikeleko
Yes.
yabona ngenhlanhla leyo ke ngoba ubaba umuntu owenza isikhethu kuhle
Yes.
yabona so kwathiwa no phela mngane wakhe lokosa athwala idwendwe
Yeah.
now I have to include the whole family
Yo,
phela.
yo, yo.
Because angeke ngithale idwendwe mina
Ivele.
ngingibani yabona ngingibani so now it included the whole value chain
Yes.
now kosa ngifonela udadewethu phela
Yo,
sesimele
yo,
ukuthenga into
yo.
zokukhuba lapha
Jojo.
so had a role to play yabona
Yeah.
but usesinaye ngoba sekenrile sekakomakopoli
Yes.
kumele sokubiza umkharibo
Yo,
umnakwethu akakathathi ngikhaya
Yes.
kukosa sokubiza umkharibo wangakwethu
E.
umnakwethu omunye wangaphandle
Yes.
umuntu akasorhulu walala may his soul rest in peace
Yeah.
and then idondo elimele lithwale ngumkharibo
Yeah.
ngoba uma sekamkhulu phela angeke akhona ukuthala idwena labantwana
Yeah, no ngeza khona.
so umkharibo kumele akhambe phambili but inento ezinangizithenga kuzithengwa yabona
Yeah.
so hawa nami ngibejadu
Yeah.
I think veke ukugcina ubaba ngihlalise phasi athi phela kosukhipha ikomo umngane akho lapho ndoda
Yive kokugcina.
ngebe kokugcina
Ya
yabona?
nosotsharehe.
Hey. Seyikhulunywe man, seyikhulunywe idlule. Yabona kwenziwa into zakhona. But kwenziwa into proper.
Yes.
Yabona? Umngani bethu
Yeah.
bu recognizewa bobaba, bu recognizewa bomma, bu recognizewa bodadewabo, bethu. It's a whole family thing.
Yeah.
You understand?
Iye.
Kubumbana komndeni.
Yes.
Yabona? So i-value chain into leyo ke nje.
Yeah.
Isekutheni siyithome 2018.
Yo.
Kwaba nabanye abangani ke ebabakhona khambini bathathe nabo
Yes.
njalo but ke yathoma yaba popular 2 years ago
Yeah.
2-3 years ago 2-3 years ago and ihloso yethu ke ukuthi sibumbane simahasa kayingathi ukusikuthatha mina ngokuya ngami
Yes.
ngasine vision yokuthi simandebele simahasa thana senze into so good that everyone can like it and ngidinwa yinto yokuthi abodade but amandebele athina siwafuna athina siwafuna
Yeah.
so we must make it nice.
Exactly.
So what we did, we made sure that ukuthi ikhasa nothathako we're gonna support him
show
to a
off.
point that everyone knows.
Yes.
Mina ngengumuntu marketing. I
Yeah.
made sure.
Oh,
I
like
made
marketing.
sure. I made sure that
Yes.
everyone knew about it.
Yeah.
Yabona? Understanding algorithm.
Yeah.
We had to plan say ukuthi hey madoda kumele simbathe kuhle sonke sifane.
Yeah.
And asitshutako. Siyathegana, siyareposta sonke.
Yes.
The algorithm can go faster. Woke umuntu asibone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's how into yamahasa became viral. Unity.
Yes.
But ke besifisile ukuthi sibe nento esi-attentive ngayo ukuthi siyenza so good that ukuthi iyoba i-idea yamahasa.
Yes.
But ithe nayifika kibomna kwethu into angakhule
Yeah.
izangifike kamnandi.
Yeah.
Kwenzakala.
Azange ifike kamnandi because of nisihugela ngitsho.
Yeah.
So now this thing is so good sengathi siphikisanina ngathi sikhompithanani.
Yeah.
Which was not the case. But ke bekufuze ngathana amadlaza abanento yabo ebas identify ngabo ukuthi la benza so.
Yeah.
Amathula Now athi no thina phela sesithombisa nje or sesiwisela
Wow.
thina siku-identifya ngento yethu but ke igcine iba yinto yamahasa yonke ke
And vele
everyone
ama
ufuna ukuthi
209,
timu.
209.
Yamahasa
Yeah,
nje.
yabona.
209 konke
So,
nje.
King it's good message
Yeah.
led in the wrong way so but ke umrabo wamahasa kwakuthi sifuna ukwenza into so good sibambane sibe nyandra so that nondaba ezithana kasibonako akwazi ukuthi amahasa aphi then kuyokuvela umuntu omunye nanyana ibanje lithile you understand undaba ezithana kathi ufuna amadzibha mde kube nabantu ibanje elithile but amadzibha uzowathola endaweni yasona sona sona so you understand so that undaba ezithana kathi ngifuna ibandla lami
Yeah.
ngibawa amahasa akhulumeke so ngibawa amathula akhulumeke so ngibawa inenze so so that kube ne-identity ukuthi sibathola aphi abantu aba njena ngithi ngiyokufuna ukukhuluma namathula wonke ngiyokuya kubani njenganje.
Hey Maro, right.
Okay.
I think
Mina
ingwenya
ngifuna-
wamabhoko wesithathu kufanele ibandla lakhe nabahlezi phasi babodwa kube ngenye izinto ebaziseta phako lezi. Yabona?
You understand?
Yes.
So but sinamingcela njengobana kade ngisho ama-bottleneck la maningi khulu
Ne?
maningi khulu undaba ezithana wena ungatshela ukuthi ngithi sodwa heyi abomabani nana
Yeah.
Mara when it comes to imvunulo aboma number 1
yeah no
nina kunala nikhamba ni
No, mara,
kuwa
yazi-
khulu
yazi ngitshwela ini
uthola ini
Yes.
ukuba ne-team
Yes.
does not reach the end goal.
okay
Right.
yeah
Kumele senze into ezokubhenefitha umntazana othombileko ukuthi umntazana othombileko senza lokho.
Ngiyafuna.
Kumele senze into sithi ekubhenefitha umsana owelileko ukuthi umsana owelileko simbona ngalokho.
Ngiyafuna.
Mina ke ndaba ezidavani ngitsho ngithi I'm very lucky
Yes.
because mina ngawisela nguba mkhulu.
Yeah.
Wami uba mkhulu ongibelethako angimazi but then kunoba
Yes.
mkhulu uso Amos.
Yeah.
May his soul rest in peace. Uba mkhulu ungikhulise to a point la ngiwela khona.
Yes.
Ngathi nangimncane ngokulelesa kwami because of mina bengilelesa ke. Ngasela iparafini.
Babe.
So and hey na narrator istory sakhona.
Yeah.
Khangibuye esibhedlela mhlawumbe kungiphethwe emgomani.
Now uza kusela iphara.
Nangiza kusela iparafini ngafika ekhaya ngasela iparafini ubaba use 1 mili uyasilandela nakafika ekhaya ufumana kunamuntu ubuza makhelwane bapha abantu ngoba ngithumela abantu bafruhu ukuthi bafike ekhaya kuphekwe nani bathi basesibhedlela bathi hawa sibhedlela basuke efruhu badlulile so
Yeah.
ngatshiswa iparafini ngisuka lapho ngabangisa eDonald 10 that was the
Yes.
nearest but ke funny enough ubaba uthena ngasuka ePitori afika ekhaya angifumana ngingekho bamtshela ukuthi ngiye eDonald 10 wasuka eDonald 10 waye ayisuka eMaphodlha waye eDonald 10 bangifumana ngingakatholi isizo
Yeah.
warewa kwabuyela ePitori ngakhona ngiyokuthola ihelebho ngamasa so I was so severe that's why ngingadlala ibhola because of immune system yami yalimala ngisesemncane.
oh
So iparafini le yona sisile sibaningi man.
Yeah yayibona so
hayi mina
ukukhula kwami ngoba uba mkhulu bekabereka nobaba emasotsheni
Yes.
bengikhwela naye ibhesi bengumuntu ogula futhi ngoba immune system yami incane nagulako nakuthoma ukugulanyana sengiyagula ke mina ngikhwela noba mkhulu khwela nambhesi njalo so ngikhuliswe nguba mkhulu isikhathi esiningi ngisiceda noba mkhulu nasele ngiyokwela kade sele akupension
Uba mkhulu.
yeah bese siphekelwa nguye ngendabeni ngaleyo
Yeah.
so bengimona regularly into eziningi zesinto zendabuko yekhethu ngizazi ngaye not ngobaba ubaba ngibe ne-relationship naye nasele athatha ipension nje nasele nakhona phela ubaba ubukhali
Baba kobukhali.
waba ubukhali ntomtsheke ukuthi uvuke njani yabona
Na ungena ngeke umbona jabe lapha. Kathana ngimphola
bengithoma ukubona mara yey
so mntu umcheck ukuthi sivuke njani namhlanje nawujabulile umbuza izinto ezuyazokutshela-ke history ekhaya yabona but into eziningi ngizithole ngoba mkhulu ngizifundiswe ngoba mkhulu ngizazi ngoba mkhulu so inhlanhla leyo ngibe nayo but ilwazi ekade ngibe nalo ngoba ubamkhulu bekade asaphila and asitshela ukuthi okay nakuthonjiswako
yes
awufiki la
Yes.
ngolosihlanu
Oh.
balekani chidelana abantu apha
Yes.
ngomgqibelo ekuseni angazokhumbuza nini ukuthi nide kube nemikho yabo into ezifana nje ukhula uzazi yabo ukuthi nakwenzeka nakunodino nobukhazi asirareki thina ukuthi kosasenzeni kosiyazi ukuthi indrima ethu yini ithoma biphelela kuphi nasifika you understand so you must understand your role isiko kwakupreserve all the information ukuthi nawungubaba uthomaphi ugcinaphi nawulisokana uthomaphi ugcinaphi yabona
Yeah.
gogo into ezifana njengalezo so ukwazi kwethu kwesiko that's the whole value chain engeke ngiyifunde ephepheni
yeah that's true and ayikho nangesikolweni
ayikho nangesikolweni
Thulani yazi khoaveza indaba ye-university
akake
iqakatheke khulu kwamambala kufanele ukuthi singene kiyo dipanyana ngoba amandebele abanayo vele i-university and
Bazokutshela
kwaNdebele
nge-CN Mahlangu.
si rich khulu kusikopilo si rich khulu ebukhwarini bethu yabona ene nenkolweni zethu abufundo ubukhwaro yabona so now indawo zamandebele ezinothileko ifana nemalahleni inothile ngayo amalahleni ngikho bayagcina bathi emalahleni njalo
ngiyavuma
so now enkolweni bekufanele ukuthi kufundwe into eziphethelene namalahle ilahle ulithola njani ubona njani ukuthi la ungakhonwa ukumayina yabo into eziphethelene nemining kuhle kuhle umntwana bekosa nakangena usub A tot kwa standard 10 aphume knowledge leyo sekanayo ngesikolweni ngaphandle kokuthi aye college yabona and then ke bese ngehlangothini lethu umntwana bekosa kube nesubject yokugwala
yeah
yabo into le isukele from esikolweni ngoba nakasuka esikolweni nakaye ekhaya wenza yona so now nice esikolweni umntwana abona nokuthi anga-economize njani into le imenza ukuthi aqine athande ubuyena bakhe yabona so now umbuso wakade lo umbuso wakwaNdebele uwabhayiza njani ukuthi ungabe ne-university
indaba ezitha ngizokhuluma into engasimnandi
yeah
undaba ezitha uJames Mahlangu
yes
wayizama
oyindaba ye-university
wayizama
yo
ngikhumbula kuhle udadewethu nomnakwethu
yes
bafunde ngenye institution khai bayibiza ukuthi i-SADET yaklanywa kundaba ezitha uJames Mahlangu
yes
I think ukosazana angachazela bedere
okay
bengisesemfeaturesana mhlawumbe abomthombothi aba bangachaza bedere bona but the SADET was there SADET had a relationship ne-University of Pretoria
okay
Okay.
SADET
yes
so abantwana abaningi kade bafunde SADET automatically they went to UP
that's true
SADET beyikhona eSiyabuswa SADET beyikhona eFalbanka I think at some point beyikhona neKwagga
yes
I'm not sure I stand to be corrected but i-vision ka baba uJames Mahlangu uyayukuthi i-SADET must start small
okay
as a Saturday school and then ikhuphuke nabantwana to a point where sigcina sine yethu i-university
yes
ama-proposal lawo allegedly
Yeah.
angikhulume kuhle
Yeah.
Okay.
sekufuneka isikhuwa-ke nje allegedly
yes
into leyo bayi-aplayela everything kwakuhamba kuhle as the forefront of it was ubaba uPhahla Mhlaka
okay
wakhe eBrongoro
yes
yathi nasele ifanele ngathani ya-implementwa it became a political issue
okay
nasele iba yi-political issue yathathwa yasiwe no-sprayed
that's true
Oh.
so that's how we don't have university kwaNdebele but should it been that ukuthi ibe khona
yes
we wouldn't be where we are today
very much correct
why ngitsho njalo sisichaba sifanele sihlale phasi both iDr JS Moroka and iThembisile
yes
probably nemalahleni si decide ukuthi sisichaba sifuna ini because
yeah
njenganje And politically, because this thing si lose, allegedly si lose politically.
No, si lose politically, that's true.
Allegedly si lose politically. But none te sibuye si win politically mte senzeni.
Yes.
It means that ukuthi from Malahleni, Dr. JS, Thembisile, there's compromise for at least 2-3 years. Sithi
Okay.
aswafuni inte, sisifuni intedium nengolo nan.
Yes.
Sifuni university. Sifake ku IDP.
Correct.
Once it comes to IDP,
Yes.
then it becomes a government project.
Okay.
And it becomes a collaborated thing because ayifunwa what. Ayifunwa what.
Yes.
Ifunwa the whole region.
Yeah, the
Ifuna
whole
everyone.
Kankala region. Bafuna one
You
thing.
understand?
Yes.
And then how are you gonna implement it? You must look at scarce skills.
Okay.
If ever uba university, it means that ukuthi kumele decide ukuthi what faculty are you gonna specialize in.
Yes.
If ever uthi ufuna medicine,
Yes.
it means that ukuthi na uqeda work university automatically mde ube ne hospital. Umntwana naqeda
Correct.
ukufunda la, I mean naqeda ukufunda la, mila ayekwenza practical la.
That's true.
Right?
Okay.
And then no ubona ngathi igap le ivalekile. You create a campus. Kuthiwa mhlambi iMalahleni campus. You
Yes.
specialize in engineering. Umntwana loyo ufunda engineering lapho, naqeda ufunda la ungena eEscom or emayini.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's how uthatha umuntu weJohannesburg umletha kwaNdebele.
Oh.
And then once uthatha umuntu osuka kude umletha la. Angeke akhona ukutravel every day.
That's correct.
Imkatelela ukuthi mdakhe la.
That's
Umntwana wakhe
true.
mdafunde la.
Yes.
Yonke into
Yeah.
ayenze la.
Yes.
Then it means that ukuthi kuma municipal whether Dr. JS Moroka or Thembisile we have numbers.
Malahleni.
And once we have numbers we qualify for a metro now. Once we have a metro you qualify for bigger budget. It benefits everyone. If ever umuntu amathenda you're going to benefit. If ever umuntu etaxi check i-line esuka eMarabastata echinga kwaNdebele. It's slowly fading away right now.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
And then thana besinabantu abafundileko ku emkhakheni wezamateksi we would have been able to do our marketing research and say sine problem la in a long run we're going to have a problem because now abantu abasafuna ukhwela ibhesi kaphathi because now they prefer renting ePitori. It benefits who umuntu ohlala ePitori more than umuntu ohlala ekhaya.
True.
Now, how do we take that economy back? Is to create one thing that will take everyone mbuyise back.
Ne.
That's the whole value chain.
Alright, Khotman. Kokubona kwakho isitshaba samaNdebele namakhono esinawo. Ubona ngathi sichoda ngani thina sisitshaba samaNdebele?
Ngithanda ukufakazela uThulani nakathi
Yes.
kuyokuba budisi ukunemba poro ukuthi sithi sichoda ngani ikhisibe singahlathululi bona sikhulumela phezukwane.
Yes.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umzwile nakaphendula ngaleyo ndlela. So nje esingakhe sicale esihlayela ngakho khulu
Yes.
indaba yokuzwisisa amandla wokusekela.
Yes.
Ilokho kusasihlayelelako esichabeni sekhethu. Nasingakhe sizwisise amandla weunity. Nangibona iproduct yakaThando, ngibona iproduct yakaThulani, ngibona icontent yakaNcobile, ngibona noloya. Ngi-understand ukuthi i-comment yami A1 ku-digital platform yakhe iyoku-eda amandla angangani ebantwini abayoyibona.
Ne.
Because into etlhayela khulu nje engathi ngiyo mina engicalileko libumbano. Yabo. So nasingaba namandla webumbano ayisekho into ezosivimba ngoba nangibumbene noThando noThulani noNcobile nabanye abaningi abomnakwethu nabodadewethu.
Yes.
Nangibona imisebenzi yabo ngi-embrace ngokukhulu ukuziveza nokuzikhakhazisa.
Yes.
Kuba lula nokomunye umuntu ukuthi naye ayithanda into leyo. Abantu abayithanda iselo esisazike esisijayeleko sombalo obomvu nomhlophe esidumileko ngoba kusiselo esimnandi. Basisela ngoba babona nomunye usiphethe esandleni.
Numbers.
Numbers.
Yeah, that's
Numbers.
true.
Follow numbers.
No.
Numbers.
That's why ngithi mina the starting point.
Yes.
Let's get the numbers.
Ne.
Asibe nento eyi-1
So how do we get the numbers right, correct?
That's why ngithi ukuthi we need to come to a point ukuthi sizwane ngento eyi-one so
Yes.
so we are compromising everything because if we have numbers
Yes.
siyokubuyisa back the economy.
Correct.
Angekhe wena Mahlangu uthi ufuna ukuyokutoyitoya i-SABC if you have numbers.
Ne.
SABC will come to you because you
Exactly.
have numbers.
Yeah. Man, talking about SABC, ne? Let's talk about Igomkhulu.
Correct.
Yes. You have numbers or you know numbers. Yes.
Calculated.
Yeah, yazi ngibe nenhlanhla ukuthi nakuba nekomkhulu.
Yes.
I was part of the members ekade baberekele multi-choice.
Wow.
So
Okay.
through using ama-system
Yeah.
bengikhona ukubona ukuthi i-viewership
Iphasi or
iphasi,
phezulu or yenzani.
yenzakalani.
Average.
So but I remember very well ukuthi ikomkhulu did well in terms of numbers.
Ne.
Ibethe amanye amahlelo ekade akhona.
Yes.
Seriously.
Yeah,
Yes.
it did well. I think the
Yes.
highest episode was episode 7.
Yo.
It had 4 million viewers at the same time.
Yo.
Namang.
Episode 7.
One Sunday.
Yeah, one Sunday. I remember another contributing factor wakhumbula ukuthi besiku-load shedding.
Yes.
So
Oh,
that
yes.
itself triggered a number at that point.
Mara ikomkhulu igijime kunjalo.
Yeah, it still
Ne-load
had
shedding
numbers.
yoke le.
Yeah, it still had
Wow.
numbers. It still had numbers
Yo.
at that point in time, yeah. So ikomkhulu did well, to be honest.
Manje
So
kubaleki
from-
ukuthi
No,
i-multi-choice le.
uyazi namasuku vane ngikhe ngitsho ngithi yabona i-business enye nenye ayiranwa ngama-emotions.
No, that's true.
They follow numbers.
Okay.
I-multi-choice has a mandate of bringing numbers.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, if you have numbers, you're never gonna lose. That's why. And I think ukuthi in as much as besijabulile, indirectly siluzile because of ngikhumbula ukuthi ikomkhulu yayilandelwa yiShaka Ilembe.
Hey, Shaka Ilembe. Already Shaka Ilembe, they were promoting it.
Yes.
6 months before.
Yo.
So it didn't have
Yes.
enough marketing because
Marketing budget or marketing team or marketing.
marketing.
multi-choice itself didn't market
Oh,
ikomkhulu.
okay, no.
Igomkhulu.
You are very much
Okay.
correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
it didn't market bungayiboni i-billboard yekomkhulu.
Correct,
yes.
No. It didn't market ikomkhulu to that point. But iShaka Ilembe, it was properly marketed.
Yo.
Everywhere. It was everywhere. It was on digital, it was on traditional media, it was on billboard, it was
Stadium,
Okay,
not
everywhere.
stadium.
Everywhere.
Hey.
Yes.
But
But
guys, isn't it that
Yeah.
Ilembe, it's got a lot of sponsorships?
No,
And the budget is big.
Before Grootman being an sponsorship amaning, it's just that Kutibo Iona, it had a huge budget. Yabo?
No,
Because,
angiyikhulume so.
okay, cool.
Ubaba uMthombothi ngimphendule directly.
Okay.
Okay.
So, how they sponsor a show,
Okay.
it's based on the numbers.
Okay.
So, AmaZulu have the biggest numbers.
Okay.
So their budget tends to be bigger.
Okay.
That's why the budget it was bigger, and they wanted to
Oh.
they wanted to collaborate indaba yakaShaka. We wanted to tell uShaka in our own way.
And it's
So
different
now
from-
the budget had to be hardcore, and in the production it had to be hardcore.
Yes.
Now, since now, it became a flagship program. Khumbula ukuthi Isibaya at some point it had a flagship
Yeah.
thing. ukuthi
So a flagship program, program enja.
Chuti, all the assets are going there.
Oh.
Oh.
All the assets are going there. Like, you understand?
Yes.
So it had good money from the production perspective. It had good money from the post-productive.
Correct.
So, but I feel that ukuthi tana gwaba nendo between ikomkhulu ne Shaka Ilembe would still make numbers better because
Ne.
of there was more numbers in the budget that was invested kushaka ilembe.
Correct.
And it had to be good because they wanted to sell it even international.
True.
So
babe namahlelo wayo.
yes, it was a good production. If you know bomb production, you know that
Yes.
dealing with the big G's. You understand? True. So it did good. It played their role.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I think ukuthi I'm not a advocate mndonga yokuthi nasenze production there's vez umndebele bethu all the time. No, you just need a good production. If feature amandebele 3-4, it's okay.
Okay.
You'll make an impact.
But in terms of ama-sponsors njengoba uGrotman katabuza lapho ukuthi ibe imali ye-multi-choice or because abo-Toyota I know they came in there naye multi-choice Mnet ne angazi nani
About Telkom, I think.
No, Telkom,
So how it works like this.
how it works no.
So you get the script,
Yes.
right? Then there are people within the marketing department
Yes.
that sell the idea to the business.
Okay.
Okay.
And how they sell it based on numbers. That's why I'm saying if you have numbers.
Abantu abakhuluma
Yeah,
a certain language.
Yes.
Okay.
Ukuthi ihlelo linangi lokhanzako liyoreacha how many people. I remember at some point our first episode Shaka Ilembe season 1 it was above 10 million. On the first episode. And remember they made it free at some point because they wanted
that's
it to reach that number because they promised business. Ukuthi, you understand? So ikomkhulu it was not given time. Should it be that ukuthi content ikomkhulu was igniting enough? Sponsors were gonna come in before because some sponsors
Yeah,
they don't come.
Yeah.
Phela ama sponsors they don't come ihlelo naselidlala.
Yeah.
Ama sponsor eza ihlelo lingakathomi.
Correct.
You understand? So it's all about numbers. Hence I'm saying
Ne.
ukuthi isingundebele. Let's not focus at toyini nani. Focus at getting the numbers. Once you get the numbers, people will come to you.
Ikinga viyari ngama-numbers
Yes.
ukuthi nakuthonywa kwenza into lebathi survey umuntu uyozithola athi ngimzulu or ngimpedi alindebele la kwaMahlangu namkha la kaSikhosana then ama-numbers asibhitha ngalokho especially abahlala emadrobheni siwenza njani laba basemadrobheni
naso into ehelebha isitshaba samavenda. You see akhe kuthiwe kuyavotwa or voter registration.
Yeah.
N1 is full
Yeah, true.
because baregister emakhaya.
Ne.
Tina, we are happy to vote here in Gauteng.
thank you, vote
Where else our
eGauteng.
vote doesn't even make a difference.
we
here.
understand
But ekhaya will make an impact.
True.
So na into yokuvota is very important.
Yes.
Voter registration is more important than voting. Kuhle kuhle ngokuyanga.
Yes.
Because
Then we
of
need
that's
to
how they
educate
calculate
amandebele
you.
musike voter
Yes,
registration.
voter registration ukuthi wena ubalwa kuphi matters because niphakelwa izenzelo based on the numbers.
Numbers,
So that's why
yes.
ngithi mina if you follow the numbers you'll get whatever you want.
then ama-numbers lawa khona just that
we do
ukuthi
have them now.
abantu bangemadrobheni kule
They
kule
need to-
kule
No, guys, I think Utulani we are missing out here. He's got the point.
Yeah.
Uthini, Grootman?
Point yakhe iphezu kokuthi thina simandebele.
Yes.
Fanele sibe nento yethu edrawer amanamba.
Correct.
Sayithola into leyo. Yokuthi nanoma uyibeke eGauteng, uyibeke eKZN, uyibeke eMpumalanga, numbers tells ukuthi into le ngiyamandebele.
No lapho
Yini into
kodwa
leyo.
uqinisile.
Nayo ke into fanele sigijimele phezulu kwayo. I'm not sure, maybe he's got a solution.
maybe
Buze Thando.
Yini ipengu?
ipengu
Yini solution?
yeah what's the solution
Yazi jamani asikhulumi nosong.
Yeah.
Akunando A1 a solution. So
Okay.
it's not
Okay.
it shouldn't be a blanket approach.
Okay.
okay
We need media.
Ne.
We need media creates influence.
True, that's
Once you have
correct.
influence, you'll have numbers.
Yes.
Political power has influence. Once
Yes.
you have influence, you have the numbers.
Correct.
okay
You need education.
True.
Once you have education, you'll better understand and comprehend.
Correct.
okay
It means that you'll be able to interpret the numbers.
Yes.
oh yeah
Then you'll make the right decision.
Yes.
That's why even today, mina, ngokuyangami, I should be having a research office in every municipality to research the people that live there. Once you get them the right information. Kalamus in every big company, mndungu.
Yes.
Your Sanlam, whatever. There's a specific department, office, edilanga numbers. They collect data,
Yes.
they interpret data,
Yes.
they give it to the board executive.
Yes.
The board executive make decision based on the numbers.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
So that's where we
Right.
get it wrong. So now, njengoba masipala yethu, ngoba we are affiliated to political parties.
Yeah.
Sicatshana ngobcomrade. We don't have people who understand the end vision, who provide the right data. Uthi angithathi data le nginikele MM. Nanginikele MM will make a right decision.
Correct.
You understand what I mean? Unfortunately, mina ngokuya ngami, there's no blanket approach ezokusolva into le.
Isitshijilo esikhulu.
Mele
esinaso.
sidle njengobrodo. Ubudle ugwinye, ubudle ugwinye, ugcineni buzokuphela.
Yes.
ngithanda ukubuyisela emuva kancane ke sakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi iJam Koste sizenzele yona.
Yes.
Umango mnengi ugcwele sibuyisa njani into le esichabeni ukuthi akubuyeleni emasimini siyokutshala iperegisi igrapes ngizi izinto ezihlogekako lezo ukwenza iJam I think nama apricots
Depending on the flavor is.
yes sikwenza njani lokho sushi like sibadosa njani abantu abo ukuthi asibuyeleni le emuva sizenzeleni izinto ekungezethu iJam ethu na irepheko irephe nangomgwalo ibhalwe kuhle ukuthi iJam
yazi namasuku angifuna ungatsho ne
Yeah.
abantu bazongizonda for this ne
okay
Yes.
and then mhlambe nani nizongizonda.
Yes.
Yeah. Not everything that we sell must have umgwalo isiNdebele.
No, you are very much
yes
correct.
yeah you are correct bese ngibeka nje ngiveza
And that on itself, in as much as people like to buy that, in terms of numbers, once you overpopulate anything that is good, then it loses value.
That's true.
So now you need to quantify it properly. Hence I'm saying we need to focus on the quality, not on the end part.
Okay.
Quality means that we need engineers who know how to make jam.
Yeah.
We need people who need to. Kalamusi ungayitshala ithini iguava.
guava
Make
yeah
it guava. You don't have to make it jam specifically. Make it guava. Nase kusikhatha amagwava nikha amagwava nowapheke nofaka ichukela then you package it properly so wenza fruit salad. You know what I mean? And then all you need is just the recipe and the means of production of it. How do I make this a businessable? I mean a business thing. Ukuthi how will I store guava ukuthi libe khona all through season? How will I make how will I source ichukela? How will I cook it? You understand all the means of production. So that's why education is very important to create the means of production. So once you have you've done your research properly, you've done your implementation strategy, then we are sorted. Yeah, then that's where finance is coming into place. Where you're gonna source the funds and creating the machines.
Yes.
Because angikholwa ukuthi uzokupheka lokhanzile every day uwedwa ngepotwanga kwakho. You understand?
Yeah.
Then you need your factories. You understand how the municipality come into that. So all those things, unfortunately, mina ngokuya ngami,
Yeah.
the starting point should be a university.
Ne.
The starting point because of kalamusi ngisho besitoyitoya last city sifuna iSABC ibuye kwaNdebele.
Yes.
Mina ngokuya ngami nje nizongizonda for this. Mina ngithi right nayilapha.
Okay.
Because that's where the numbers are. Ngoba ubiziwe nakafuna uku-interview Sian Buji.
Yeah.
Abantu abatsha bafuna uSian Buji. Uyomthatha la umse kwaNdebele for interview.
yeah
Kangaki? No, but let's be realistic. You understand?
sengiyavuma nje ngivunyiswa ihliziyo
You understand? So
ngiyakuzwisisa.
ngizama ukunikhombisa ukuthi guys, if we don't have numbers, we'll forever be losing. And yazi nebuhlungu yini? Do your numbers. Mpumalanga eNkangala region is the biggest region in Mpumalanga, but yet everything is.
You see. Exactly.
So all I'm saying, hey, ningangilwisi nabantu bepolitiki, but all I'm saying ukuthi I read data and I interpret it. What you understand? So
Yes.
yeah.
Bakwethu sigadangisa iGood Life Studios. Na ufuna imininingwana naso ngaphasi velile.
Yeah, jama ngixlayelise mina maqanga bobaba ngaphambili.
I say ladies
Yes.
first.
I-ladies first ngamakhuwa.
Yamakhuwa.
Yamakhuwa. Ingozi
Okay.
nayivela ukuvela ubaba ngaphambili ngisho abomama beze ngemva.
Yes.
Yeah, wabhoma.
Bakuthi ngiyathokoza for ukuthi ningimeme
Yeah.
ngishare some insights.
Sithokoza thina.
Ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe ngizakubuya.
Nokho subuya.
Fanele
Yeah, and
ubuye.
then share the data. Yabona
Yes.
share ama perspective ukuthi izinto esizibona njani kumele siqale njani yabona. Kodwa na ihlonipho phambili bobaba.
Yes.
Abomna kwethu amadlaza ama 205
Yes.
basikugele.
Yes.
Ama 201 bomna kwethu
Yes.
siyabahlonipha siyabathanda.
Yes.
Nathi sokudlala yethu indima
Yes.
siyabasa sichova siyaphambili. In terms of the numbers ke Mndungwa amadlaza
Numbers.
athatha kakhulu ukudlula amakhasi.
No
In
matter.
terms of the numbers. By the way, I'm just saying.
Straight.
Yeah, in terms of the numbers, but
Lady
I'm data
Umuntu
driven.
unenombolo.
Mina I'm data driven.
Ne-
Okay, wena uthatha nini?
Mina
Ngobile uthi jama wo. Uthi.
Ngithi ipokoma ithatha nini?
All right.
uzokubona ngesimemo ayikhulunyelwe ziko.
Ayikhulunyeleziwe yi.
Yabajoza
Izokuthi-
kumele ziko iyaphapha.
Yeah, no.
Inyoni
ayikhulunyelwe
ayikhulumela
ziko.
ziko.
I-
Ayikhulumele
into
emlilweni.
yokuthatha i-sensitive, yeah, into yokuthatha i-sensitive. So
Yeah.
mele uyindlalele
Ne.
uyigubuzese then ikwazi ukuhlonipheka.
Mara ekugcineni isiphetho.
Hayi asijiki.
Asijiki ne.
Hayi ayivinjwa. Hayi ngeke wayivimba. Hayi ngeke wayivimba. So ngiyathokoza bakwethu lami igama nginguthulani ngokwandula umntwana nesokona lokwaso Simenge.
Yeah.
Nangisho njalo.
Uyavalelisa.
Ngiyalayelisa. Ngiyathokoza ukuthi ningifeature ngiyathokoza.
Okay, jama khe ngizi.
Okay.
Angisho nthe.
Yeah.
Gcina
Oh,
mina.
okay.
Iye, lami ibizo nginqibile ngokamasuku. Kazi ubuhlo bubona la buyatholakala enomboreni zaka Nqobile Masuku ezithi 079 084 7562 ku Facebook Nqobile Masuku. Konke Twitter, Facebook, Instagram konke
Yes.
ngiyatholakala. Ne4way ePola Mall ne. Nomhlaba lonke nje ngiyawukhamba.
Ama social media akwathini?
Social media platform TikTok it's prime_shush.
Yes.
Twitter is prime_shush.
Yes.
Facebook prime shush.
Yes.
Ngiyiphe on Instagram.
Instagram, yes.
Instagram is the same as Facebook.
Okay.
Same as Facebook.
Bathi akasingusuthi.
Yeah, angisi face man. I'm
Yeah.
not a raw fish. Ngithulani. Thulani shush.
Sigadangisele studio sentwane focus.
Yes. Asikakhulumi kazi nga uberekephi
Ha,
wachingaphi
uzokubuya.
Yeah.
qualifications
Kusho ukuthi sizokubuya.
from la wenzani asikakhulumi ngawe.
Yeah.
Sithokoza kakhulu kwamambala bakwethu sigadangisela eGood Life Studios sizakuzwa ngawe kuma comments ukuthi ufuna uthulana buye uzokuzwa ngokudephileko namkhana njani.
I think
bakwethu
yofuna buye in terms of numbers azonande asitshela ama numbers ukuthi now numbers are like this.
o abe i-resident
Of course.
ne bakwethu ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu ngangilandela ke wonke ama social media platform ethando Mahlangu _
Underscore.
Jesa.